This is 6-inch sewer pipe connectors. I'm going to make a sandpaper holder with it. So I marked out a little design how I want to reach in and grab the sandpaper. So now I'm going to cut these out, and I also got these right here for the outside, and I got one for the inside. So I'm going to cut them out and show you how I'm going to do it. If you're wondering why I cut this with this tool, first one I used a saber saw and I cracked it. But next I'm gonna cut these out. I'll put one in the middle for a divider. Let me cut these out. Since I did leave a little extra, I'm just going to clean it up with the belt sander. So here's my sandpaper holder. I can just reach in, get a piece of sandpaper out. Or I can grab a whole stack of them. I also got a place at top to put my finishing oils. But thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you guys like it. Subscribe button if you're not a member. Comments are always welcome. Have a nice day.